Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to unblur a photo on Capcut. Alright, so let's begin with the video. All you have to do is open up the latest version of the Capcut app on your phone and start a new project with the picture that you want to unblur. Open up the project with the picture, and what you have to do to properly unblur your picture is go over to the Adjust tab. Before I do that, I want to make a disclaimer and say that if your image is way too blurry, it might be impossible to recover. However, you might still want to attempt these methods I'm going to show you. Go to the Adjust tab, and what you have to change is the contrast, brilliance, and sharpen options. Increase the contrast and see how it looks with better or worse contrast. As you can see, if I lower the contrast, it actually makes it quite easy to see the colors around. However, if I increase it, the black becomes much stronger, so decide whichever one you think is best for your picture. Click OK, and now go to the other options like the brilliance and sharpen. For brilliance, I recommend increasing it a lot and saving, and for the sharpen tool, I recommend setting it to the max. Like I mentioned, if it's way too blurry, it might not be recoverable. However, these adjustments will help make the image quality better. Now, the last thing you can try is if you added a manual blur, you can just go to the canvas, select blur, and then cancel the blur out if necessary. So that's basically how you can unblur a photo on Capcut. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.